know, like Bugatti, Tesla, fried chicken, party at Hollywood Hills. This song, oh my god, the new beat. God, is this real?
I need somebody help, not just anybody help. You know I need someone help. When I was younger, so much younger than today. But I'm a kid, I'm a widow. What the hell am I saying here? This boy's too young to be singing. Now Paul is a real estate novelist who never had time for a wife. And he's talking with David, who's still in the Navy, and probably will.
You belong among the wildflowers. You belong in a book and it's sail away, kill off the out.
Gotta leave you all behind. Here comes the sun, here comes the sun. I say it's alright.